Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theclife.com, and in today's video, I'm going to be delivering the state of the business address. I think I'm going to make this a segment so that you guys can know exactly which video offers you the most value, right? So instead of me rambling in all the other videos about my issues, it's not about me, it's about you, the viewers. So I'm going to be talking, I got my notes right here, and going to be talking about exactly what's going on behind the scenes with theclife.com and my online business. All right, so let's get into it. So first up, the email list, right? This is the engine to your online business, and the fuel is the content and the value that you offer through that content. So far, the Optin Page, we have 75 downloads of the Stop Exercising, Start Training ebook. And it's not as quickly as I would have liked, although like I mentioned in the past videos, I have done no promotion whatsoever. All of it is through content development and getting people to download it through that, and based on conversations that I've had with coaches around the city and whatnot and past clients. So far 75 downloads. And basically the most important questions that I've been asked is, how much revenue have you seen so far? Now, so far, as of today, it's $435 of passive income that I've generated for my online business so far, right? My online, theclife.com. Now, this is from affiliate products, and it's not affiliate products that I've used for other coaches. That's a story for another day. This is based on everything that I recommend for my online clients and my online audience so far. So I've made $435 so far. It's like, I would say, based off of 2 months of work, $435, you divide it by 2, you know, give and take, whatever, but I take it, you know, like, this is concrete evidence that this thing does in fact work. I would like to double it month over month, but it will take a lot more effort. And this is done through organic growth, no Facebook ads whatsoever. So I'm happy about that. Now, moving forward, what I want to do is split test my opt-in page for my website. So far, if you go in right now, as of now, you go on to theclife.com, you're going to see my ebook and my opt-in. So you download now, you opt into my email list, and this is where I can offer you value, build that trust with you over time. And if you go to the other tabs above, you'll see the other sections to my website, where it's going to be my resource page and my contact page. So what I want to do is split test getting rid of the, let me just go on my website real quick. Getting rid of the above tabs where it says home screen and recommended and contact, and just make it an opt-in page where if you want to get to me, you have to opt in to get in the ebook, download in the ebook, and then you'll be able to address future content. Next up, right, the split test is going to be the full website, where I'm going to have my blog and my content on the blog, so it will drive traffic to this opt-in page, and have my YouTube, my Instagram, my Facebook content drive traffic into this opt-in page. So this is pretty much what I'm going to be working on going into this weekend and for the month of August. Have a ton of work on my plate, where I'm helping other coaches build their brands online, also working and collaborating with other coaches as well, developing new and more improved programs so that we can offer, you know, bigger and better things, you know, because myself and another coach, Earl, we're going to be working on a 12-week transformation program that's going to help, you know, busy moms and dads gain back their lives and live their healthiest and fittest lives. And also, I'm going to be working with another coach. It's not clear what we have planned yet. We're going to meet on Friday and discuss this further, but you know, a lot of things going on right now. And yeah, like, so much stuff. I'm going to have my board coming soon so that I can, you know, put down exactly what needs to be done, because this is how things get away from you. This is how you start getting distracted. You have all this workload and things that are priority takes a back seat. So I want to focus and continue to maintain my focus on the seasonlife.com and my services and my affiliates and everything like that. So I want to keep this video short right now. Damn, it's a little bit longer than I expected, but this is the current state of my online business, my income, downloads, and etc., etc. If you have any questions, hit me down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it on all your favorite social media websites, and holla later.